Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
From backyard to business, make money gardening. Hello and welcome. Do you find joy in your garden? The feel of the soil in your hands, the vibrant colors of your flowers, the satisfaction of nurturing life from a tiny seed? Your garden is a place of peace and beauty, but did you know it can also spark joy in your finances? Today, I'm going to share some simple, effective ways to transform your backyard into a money-making machine. From growing rare and profitable plants to creating your own line of organic gardening products, we'll uncover the secrets to earning a steady income right from your very own home garden. Let's begin, shall we? The first step to creating a profitable garden is to choose plants that spark joy in your heart and in the hearts of others. Not all plants are created equal when it comes to profitability. Some plants are relatively easy to grow, require minimal care, and are always in high demand. Herbs, for example, are incredibly popular and versatile. They can be used fresh in cooking, dried for teas and spices, or even incorporated into homemade beauty products. Basil, rosemary, and lavender are excellent choices for beginner gardeners, as they are relatively low maintenance and have a long growing season. If you're looking for something a bit more unique, consider growing microgreens. These tiny greens are packed with nutrients and flavor and are incredibly popular among health-conscious consumers. Specialty vegetables and organic produce are also excellent choices for a profitable garden. Heirloom tomatoes, for example, are prized for their flavor and beauty and often command a higher price than their hybrid counterparts. When choosing your plants, consider what brings you joy to grow, what grows well in your climate, and what your local market demands. Do your research, visit your local farmer's market, and don't be afraid to experiment with different varieties until you find the perfect fit for your garden and your business. Once you've nurtured your plants with love and care and harvested your bountiful crops, it's time to share your joy with the world. There are numerous ways to sell your garden's abundance, each offering its own unique rewards. Local farmers markets are a fantastic place to start. These markets provide a wonderful opportunity to connect with your community, share your passion for gardening, and build relationships with customers who appreciate fresh, locally grown produce. The sights, sounds, and smells of a farmer's market spark joy in the hearts of many, and your presence will surely brighten the day. But don't limit yourself to local sales. The internet offers a vast marketplace for your garden's bounty. Online platforms like Etsy and eBay allow you to sell your plants, herbs, and produce to a much wider audience. You can even create your own online store to showcase your unique offerings and connect with customers who share your values. Social media is another powerful tool for selling your garden's abundance. Create an Instagram account dedicated to your garden, showcasing the beauty of your plants, sharing gardening tips, and offering your products for sale. You can even host live videos, offering garden tours, and answering questions from your followers. Social media allows you to connect with potential customers on a personal level, fostering a sense of community and building trust in your brand. Don't forget about value-added products. Consider transforming your fresh herbs into delicious pestos, infused oils, or fragrant herbal teas. Turn your homegrown fruits into jams, jellies, and baked goods. These value-added products not only extend the shelf life of your harvest, but also allow you to offer unique and desirable items that will set your business apart. Embrace the opportunity to share your love of gardening with the world, and watch as your business flourishes. Your garden is a testament to your knowledge, your dedication, and your love for nurturing life. But the joy of gardening multiplies when it's shared. Why not share your expertise and inspire others to discover the magic of gardening while earning an income from your passion? Teaching others about gardening is a beautiful way to spread joy and empower others to connect with nature. Consider offering online classes or tutorials on basic gardening skills, such as starting seeds, transplanting seedlings, or creating a compost bin. You can also create more specialized courses, focusing on specific types of gardening, such as organic gardening, raised bed gardening, or growing your own food in small spaces. If you enjoy creating video content, why not start a YouTube channel or social media profile dedicated to gardening? Share your gardening journey, offer tips and tricks, and document the progress of your garden throughout the seasons. People are always eager to learn from passionate individuals, and your videos can inspire countless others to discover the joy of gardening. You can even offer one-on-one gardening consultations, either in person or online. This personalized approach allows you to tailor your advice to the specific needs of your clients, helping them create gardens that bring them joy and abundance. From designing garden layouts to troubleshooting plant problems, your expertise can make a world of difference in the lives of aspiring gardeners. Embrace the opportunity to become a mentor, a teacher, and a source of inspiration for others on their gardening journeys. Imagine the joy of helping others cultivate their own green sanctuaries, one tiny seedling at a time. Starting a seedling or plant propagation business allows you to do just that, providing aspiring gardeners with the gift of new beginnings and sharing your passion for plants in a tangible way. Many people, especially those in urban environments or with limited gardening space, prefer buying ready-to-grow seedlings instead of starting from seeds. Seedlings offer a head start on the growing season and provide the instant gratification of seeing a small plant already established. This is where your expertise comes in. Choose a selection of popular, easy-to-grow plants that are well-suited to your climate. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and herbs are always popular choices, while succulents, flowers, and herbs are great for smaller spaces and those seeking low-maintenance options. You can start your seedling business right from your own home, utilizing windowsills, grow lights, or even a small greenhouse if you have the space. Promote your seedlings at local farmers markets, community events, or even online through social media or your own website. Offer a variety of seedlings, from classic favorites to unique and heirloom varieties, to appeal to a wide range of customers. Starting a seedling business is a fulfilling and profitable way to share your love of plants with others. Just as you nourish your body with wholesome, natural foods, your garden thrives when it's fed with nutrient-rich organic fertilizers. Creating and selling your own line of organic fertilizers and natural pest control products allows you to share your commitment to sustainability and provide fellow gardeners with effective, earth-friendly solutions for their gardens. Composting is a fantastic way to create nutrient-rich fertilizer while reducing household waste. Collect kitchen scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials to create a compost pile that will transform into black gold for your garden. Package your finished compost in attractive, reusable containers and offer it for sale at farmers markets, garden centers, or even online. You can also create your own natural pest control solutions using simple, readily available ingredients. Neem oil, garlic spray, and insecticidal soap are just a few examples of effective, eco-friendly alternatives to harsh chemical pesticides. Package your homemade concoctions in spray bottles or jars, clearly labeling the ingredients and intended use. To enhance your product line, consider offering other garden-related items, such as handmade plant markers, decorative trellises, or even upcycled garden art. These additions not only provide additional income streams, but also allow you to express your creativity and offer unique, handcrafted items that reflect your personal style. Creating and selling organic garden products is a rewarding way to share your love of nature, promote sustainable practices, and build a business that aligns with your values. It's a journey that allows you to connect with like-minded individuals, make a positive impact on the environment, and create products that bring joy and abundance to gardens everywhere. There you have it. We've explored just a few of the many ways your garden can blossom into a source of income and boundless joy. Remember, starting small is perfectly fine. Choose one idea that sparks joy in your heart, and allow your business to grow organically, just like the beautiful plants you cultivate. Your garden is a reflection of your own unique passions and talents, And by sharing its abundance with the world, you're spreading joy, one seed, one plant, one product at a time. Now, it's time to take those gardening gloves, step into your own little piece of paradise, and start creating the abundant, profitable garden of your dreams. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring ideas on how to find joy in every aspect of your life.